Guys, welcome back to Alexia's Takeover. I'm Alexia, and today we are making slime with only 2 ingredients. So you'll need some hand sanitizer, any type of hand sanitizer. I'm using this one from Found Below, and any type of soap, hand soap. And I already started kind of making some, but so you're gonna so you can put food coloring if you want, but so first you're gonna so the base is gonna be the soap. So you're gonna do about like 2 to 5 squirts. I think 5 is good enough. It's technically the amount that you want. And then you're gonna do a few squirts with the that almost spilt. That's why I have the paper towels. And do this with adult supervision, by the way. But I know a tutorial. And then you're gonna do a couple of squirts, about 3 or 2. I think 3 is the best. And then start stirring, and it might start clumping together. And once you see the bubbles, ooh girl, is ready. It's not ready because you still have to do one more step and you're done. And it won't be ready like right then and there. It will like probably be ready like the next day if you're doing it at the same time as me. At nighttime. At 9 something o'clock. 9:40 something o'clock. And mine smells amazing. This is a lemon scent, and I don't even know what scent that is. It says pink sugar scent. Probably they put sugar and hand sanitizer in there. It smells amazing. I feel like I could imagine I ate it, y'all, just for y'all. But I wouldn't. And then mine is starting to clump up, or you can see. It looks like milk for some reason. Ooh, it's stretchy. That's stretchy. Stretch. There's my sister in the background. See her? She's right there. Look how cute her little thing is. And then once you get on your fingers, you can just rub it in, because it's technically for your hands. Your hands will feel clean. Oh my gosh! It smells so good. I love it. If this actually works, which I probably know it's not going to work, because whenever I try every steps of something, it does not work. I'm just kidding, yeah. Mine's just starting to get a lot of bubbles, y'all. Whoa. Just keep stirring for a second. My arm is moving so fast because I want to get this ready. You can either put it in the fridge or somewhere cold, which I recommend the fridge, not the freezer. The freezer, if you put it in the freezer, you only have to do it for about like 10 minutes or less. Why does my hand look so big, y'all? So keep stirring. Looks like soup, though. Clumping. How about I scooch it? Yeah. And then you want to put it in the fridge for about an hour. In the freezer, 10 or less minutes. But if you put it in the fridge, put it in for 1 hour, or put it in until the next day if it's nighttime. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Silly face. Bye.